Add Arduino UNO, vibration sensor, logic state, LED and resistor from the library. First, arrange all the components. Connect sensor output pin to D2, VCC pin to 5 volt, and ground pin is grounded. Connect a resistor across D5 and LED, where LED is grounded. Connect RXD of virtual terminal to D1 and TXD pin to D0. Then, connect the logic state to sensor test pin. Set the resistor value as 220 ohms. Verify, and export the Arduino code. After uploading the code, run the program. If the sensor senses any vibration, LED will on, and vibration alert message will be displayed in the serial monitor.